Hello everyone, if you are in JSS3 or SS1, you need this particular topic for your first term work in mathematics. There are three conversions that we have. The first one is conversion from other bases. Other bases are base 2, base 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. 10 is not there. They call them other bases. To base 10, to base 10. You see, base 10 stand on its own. So that is what we call conversion. And the method we use here is called a times b raised to power of n, which is expansion method. So for instance, example, you're having a question like this. Probably they form a questions. We are converting from other base to base 10, like 154. The base must be greater than this number. You can use any other base. Let me use base 6. If they give you a question, probably the person write 3 years is wrong. Because the base must be greater than this number here. So 154 in base 6, convert it to base 10. So we are converting you see base 6 is under other bases. So we are taking this to base 10. Use expansion method. 0, 1, 2. 1 times 6 raised to the power of 2. 5 times 6 plus 5 times 6 raised to the power of 1 plus 4 times 6 raised to the power of 0. So that is what we have. So 1 times 6 squared is 36. 5 times 6 raised to the power 1 is 6. You can actually put them in brackets to make your work neat. Plus 4 times 6 raised to the power 0 is 1. So we have 1 times 36 is 36. 5 times 6 is 30. 4 times 1 is 4. So when you add all this together, if you add them, they will give you 70 in base 10. Base 10. So part 2 of the class is that how can you convert from base 10 to other bases? So you are from base 10 now. This method, the only one that uses this method is base 10. So now I want to convert from base 10 to other bases. So I use division. So meaning this question here, 70 in base 10, you are taking into base 6. Base 6 is other bases. Taking from base 10 to other bases now. So we are going to use this method, division. So 70, use 6. 6 in 70. How many 6 can you see in 70? That would be 6 times 10, 60. 6 times 11, 66. So we have 11, we made that 4. 6 in 11. 6 in 11, we have 1, we made that 5. So 6 in 1, we have 0, we made that 1. So you can see the final answer here now. So the final answer here is 154. So if you are converting 70 in base 10 to base 6, we have 154 in base 6. So next video, we are going to work on conversion of the same basis. I told you there are 3 conversion. Conversion from other bases to base 10. Conversion from base 10 to other bases. So in our next video, we are going to explain how to convert of the same basis. And please don't forget to follow for more. Thanks.